Well, Ford shares falling today off just about 1%. The move lower after the automaker said that it's halting production and shipments of its electric F-150 Lightning due to potential battery issue. Senior autos reporter Pras Subramanian has the details for us. Pras, what do we know about this potential issue?
Yeah, not welcome news here if you're a Ford fan or investor. They're confirming the fact that they had a production halt and shipment halt of the F-150 Lightning. They said last week that they saw a potential battery issue with a pre-inspection vehicle, and they decided to kind of just lay it, basically stop all production, figure out what's going on. They're saying that there haven't been any vehicles on the road that have been affected yet, so those are fine. They're not stopping dealers from selling any vehicles in the lot just quite yet, but they're still investing in the matter. And, you know, we're talking about their most high-profile EV to date, so any kind of stop is noteworthy. Any kind of troubles are noteworthy. And just last quarter, we saw CEO Jim Farley talking about how they had execution issues that marred performance, and anything extended here will be another execution issue that mars performance for them.
Is that what he was talking about? Because it was a rough quarter. Presumably, he had a pretty good sense of this when he made that comment.
I'm not sure if it was around the same time as last week. Some point earnings were 10 days ago, maybe.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Pretty close. You know, it's possible that he did say that there were some issues that they've come across with EV production. They're learning every day about this, about optimizing. So he may have known, I'm not sure, but they're definitely looking into it. And like I said, I mean, this is something they're trying to ramp. They want to do 600,000 EVs annual run rate by the end of this year, and this is something that's not going to help them do that.
Yeah, we need some more transparency on exactly what this issue was, and if you have one of those cars, how concerned are you? But to your point, no problems with cars on lots or on the road. All right, today's inflation numbers, we got some new information regarding new and used car prices, some good on the used front.
Yeah, you're seeing this sort of like divergence, right? New car prices going up, used car prices going down. Used car prices down 11% year over year. Another month-over-month decrease there. So what's going on here is, like, I think it's just a long-term trend of where a lot of used car dealers bought a lot of cars, expensive cars at auction. Now they're trying to get rid of those cars. They have higher financing costs. They want to get rid of those, trying to sell those right now before they kind of take a bigger bath on them. But, you know, there might be some recovery in the spring. Typically, spring buying season is here. Tax refunds kind of fuel people wanting to buy new cars. So we saw a little uptick in wholesale auction car prices, used car prices. So maybe a slight recovery as they anticipate potential buying in the spring.
Get out there, buy a used car right now. Pras, good to see you.
Maybe get a deal on an F-150, a used F-150 Lightning.
There you go, buddy. I don't think there's
now you're speaking
many used Lightning pickups out there.